Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In this tutorial, I will show you a couple of methods to fix the wallpaper blur issue on your iPhone running the latest iOS 17. Method 1 via the crop tweak. First off, open the Photos app on your iPhone. From here, select the photo you want to use as wallpaper. Tap Edit in the top right corner of your screen. Tap Crop below. Tap Resize icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Wallpaper. Now adjust the photo accordingly and hit Done. Next, tap on Share icon below left corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Use as Wallpaper. Tap Add. Set as Wallpaper Pair. The image will be added as a wallpaper bit without any blur. Method 2 from Settings menu. Head over to Settings app. Find and tap on Wallpaper. Then tap the wallpaper you use for your home screen. Now turn off blur from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap Done. That's it. These were the two different methods to fix the wallpaper blur issue on your iPhone running the latest iOS 17. Hope you liked the video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.